Welcome to my life, welcome to my life, yeah. On the bright side, yeah, this music here became my only lifeline. Think I'm going crazy, I'm not in my right mind. On the bright side, yeah, hey. Yeah, one leg out that brand new Benz way. Hometown asking, am I rich, yeah. Repetition from my chest, that's a bench press. Seeing more behind the frame, future bright but feel the shade. Thinking ain't nobody feel the way I do, but someone gotta feel the same. On the bright side, yeah, this music here became my only lifeline. Think I'm going crazy, I'm not in my right mind, yeah. Welcome to my life, welcome to my life, yeah. Welcome to my life, welcome to my life, yeah. Welcome to my life, welcome to my...
So as y'all saw on the thumbnail, I've been doing pressure wash as a little side hustle. For the last couple of years, I've been doing it with my dad at Chick-fil-A and just kind of figuring out the ins and outs of it. I finally felt confident enough to do it on my own, so I taught a friend named Noah, who's in the video with me. We were going door to door, kind of getting business, and we did majority in my neighborhood and a couple houses in his neighborhood, and it was just kind of our little side hustle for the spring and summer. It was fun, it was good business, so we'll see if we ever do anything else with it.
Micah and Noah finished up. Let's go check out their work, see what it looks like now that it's all clean. Woo, look at that pretty clean concrete. Yeah.
Gavin!
You'll need to go back over it.
Oh, what the heck?
Yeah, it's straight. So like Micah J said at the beginning of the video, he's been helping me pressure wash Chick-fil-A for a few years now. Pressure washing wasn't something that we had been involved with or something we were looking to get into. It really kind of fell into pressure washing because once we got our own Chick-fil-A, we realized that it needed to be pressure washed and it was really expensive to have it done as often as we needed it to be done. So I thought, you know what? I have 3 able-bodied boys. I'm able-bodied. Let's figure out how to do it. And so we kind of dabbled into pressure washing. Realized commercial pressure washing was a whole new animal, so I had to get all the commercial grade stuff to be able to do Chick-fil-A. And so we had all the equipment, so I encouraged Micah, why don't you go, do this on the side? I mean, it can be good money. We already have the equipment, to do big commercial jobs. He'd been helping me, but he needed to learn it himself. So yeah, I did kind of letting him do more and more of the store. He felt confident enough. He got Noah to help him out, his buddy Noah. And then at times, Colin or Gavin has to help him. But yeah, so they went around the neighborhood knocking on doors, like physically knocking on doors and talking to people, something that nobody does anymore. Super proud of him for getting out there, knocking on doors, talking to people, asking for business. Learned a lot of valuable lessons about sales and businesses doing that. A lot of people said, yeah, I mean, they're young teenagers trying to earn some money. Who doesn't want to help that? So yeah, they've been able to do a good bit. Super proud of the guys for getting out there doing it. It's been a little side hustle spring and summer when he's not doing sports or other things. So we'll see what he does. I don't know if he picks it up and runs with it once he graduates, but at least he knows how to do it, and proud of him for what he's done. So I hope this video inspires some of you young people. Get out there, knock on doors, try to earn some business, try to start your own business, make a little money. Be good communication skills, good sales experience for you, good business experience for you. All right, guys, well, we'll catch you in the next vlog. Bye-bye.
Subscribe, my man, Murph Squad. Let's go.
Let's go.
Shout out to the boys.
Welcome to my life. Welcome to my life.